How to fix live not supported on TikTok. Hey everyone, let's get started. If you're not able to start your live, it could be because of two reasons. The first one is age restriction, so make sure you are more than 16 years, and the other is you need to have almost 1000 followers. Also, you must be in the region where the live is supported. However, if all these criteria are fulfilled, still you have issue, then you need to go to settings and privacy, scroll down and click on report a problem, and then you have to select on the live option. For that, scroll down to the topic section and click on live. From this various option, you can select on how to start a live as that is the problem you're getting. After that, you'll get few suggestions that you can apply to start a live, but you will have to select on was this helpful, then no. Once that is done, you have to click on need more help. This will drag you to suggestion page whereby you have to mention that you are not able to start your live. It was supported before, but it is not supported currently. You can also attach the screenshots and this will help you to get back your live and get it supported on TikTok. That's all for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.